Hey guys, it's Skylark here. Welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to colorize a black and white photo. So let's start. First of all, you need to get the app called OIR on your phone. Whether you have Android or iOS, the app is available on both of those systems. Link to this app you can find in the description of this video, so simply click on it, download the app and start it. Once you open the app, simply click Choose Photo from Gallery, then choose the photograph that you would like to colorize. I have this photo as you can see on the screen. And then down here from the presets, scroll to the right side and either choose Colorize or Colorize Plus. Each of those presets will provide you with a little bit different results, so I'd recommend testing both of them and choosing the one that works best for your needs. I'm gonna choose Colorize Plus and hit Restore. Once you hit Restore, AI is analyzing the photograph, and then once it finishes analyzing it, it will simply colorize it. So depending on the complexity and the size of the photograph, it may take anywhere from 10 to even 50 seconds. And as you can see, this is the original photograph, and after colorizing it looks like this. So as you can see, it did amazing job colorizing this photograph, and now you can simply click save to save it. And that's it for today. Let me know in the comments if you managed to colorize your photograph, and remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.